Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is going to be a 10 to 15 minute bathroom clean with me. So I'm going to show you this bathroom real quickly. Let me turn you around here. So this is our boys' bathroom. That's a clean mat. I just haven't put it down. You see their hooks don't have their clean towels on it. And the trash can needs a liner. I just took the trash out. That potty needs to be sanitized. The toilet needs to be cleaned, and of course the sink. Let me get close here so you can see all of the toothpaste, so you know that this is actually in fact dirty. And of course your usual like toothpaste and water getting flung up on the mirror. And then always have to sweep and mop in the boys' bathroom. But I just thought I was going to clean this bathroom really quickly, so I'm thinking 15 minutes. 10 minutes might be pushing it. I'm just going to wipe everything down, clean inside and outside the toilet, sweep and mop and sanitize the little potty, and see if I can get it done in 15 minutes. Kind of like a power hour. I'm going to be racing against the clock, but 15 minutes. So if you enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's jump right in.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
It wasn't too long ago that I redecorated the boys' bathroom, and I actually have not even hung up wall decor, and I just now realized that. That sounds horrible, but it is what it is. But anyways, I will tag my kids' bathroom organized with me. That is where I clean under the sink and in the drawers and just kind of reorganize everything that they have in here. So if you're interested in that, be on the lookout.
Too much of emotion, sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
So all of the little decor that I do have in here and the linens came from Target, and as of the time this video is coming out, they still sell this design. It is the Pillow Fort brand at Target, I believe. I got the trash bin, the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder, and the rugs, shower curtain, and linens, and the bath tray from Target, as well as the bins that I use to store stuff under the sink. So if you check out that other video, you'll see everything that I got, and all of it came from Target.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run
y'all so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!